If your iPhone's silent switch or action button isn't working, or you simply don't want to use it, this guide will show you how to turn silent mode on or off without using any physical buttons. So let's start with the first method, which is using Assistive Touch. So unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch. And next, what you need to do is to tap on Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch, and you'll see a floating button appear on your screen. So this button gives you quick access to different controls on your iPhone. Now tap on the floating Assistive Touch button. Now from the menu, tap on Device and tap on Mute. Or in my case, I'm using iPhone 17 and it always shows action button in here, so just click on it. And now you can see it's on silent mode. If you tap it again, click on Device and click on Mute or Action button. So it will turn on silent mode off. So if you want to make this even faster, you can customize Assistive Touch. So go back to the Assistive Touch settings, tap on Customize top level menu, and add the mute option. So click on the plus icon and look for mute and click on it and click on done. So this way you can access silent mode in fewer taps. You can also mute to a shortcut like double tap or long press. So you can also assign mute to a shortcut like double tap or long press. So turning silent mode on or off becomes much quicker. Now let's move on to the second method, which is using back tap. So go back to settings, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch. Then scroll all the way down and select back tap. So here you can choose either double tap or triple tap. So it's recommended to use triple tap to avoid accidental triggers. So tap on your preferred option, then select mute from the list. Now once it's set up, simply tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times and it will automatically turn silent mode on or off. And that's it. Thanks for watching.